Hi, welcome to our oak cushion tutorial. Today we're showing you how to hand crochet this circular cushion. You can purchase our DIY kit with printed instructions and the exact amount of yarn you need to make this cushion on our site. The link is in the description. Start by unwinding your braid. This will make it easier to work with. Step 1 is making the base. To make a base, create a circular shape with your braid, then add 12 layers for a large cushion. Use scissors to cut off the rest. Next, we're going to make the cushion's casing. Start by making a slipknot. Place the resulting loop on your right hand. Use your right hand to hold your base, then insert your left hand into it and pull out some of the yarn. Use your right hand to reach through the new loop and pull out some of the yarn through both loops. This is called a single crochet stitch, and we'll be making 20 of these. Make sure to pull the yarn gently. This will make sure it stays plump and intact. It may take you a few tries to get it perfect. Don't worry, this material is reusable. Beginners will find it easier to make fewer stitches but in a larger size. If you run out of room for new stitches, compress the stitches you have to make some space. Once you make 20 stitches, your casing should look like this. Take the tail and measure one width of the cushion with it, then use scissors to cut off the rest. Next, we're making an invisible lock. First, undo the slip knot you made in the beginning. Next, undo the unfinished stitch on the left. Use the tail to connect the casing. Next, we're hiding the tails. Flip your cushion, grab the tail, and weave it in underneath the stitches. Lift and pull until the tail is hidden entirely. Optionally, you can use the needle and thread in your DIY kit to sew the ends of the tails to the base. Before hiding the next tail, we need to complete one of the stitches. Each stitch has 2 legs, except for one. Use the tail to complete it, like so. Pull it out through the middle to the other side and then through the stitch head. Then hide the rest inside the base. Last step is making this cushion picture perfect. We're going to adjust each stitch and make sure they're even. If you notice some legs going on top of one another, fix that. If you kept your stitches even when knitting, this should be easy. After you're done on one side, flip your cushion and do the same thing on the other side. Lastly, with the wrong side facing up, use your hands to move the stitches towards you. All done. Enjoy your new cushion. Thank you for watching.